pounds. Easy. Well, it's been a long day, I guess. And hi, what are you? Are you okay? Hey, look, I have a good reason why I haven't been talking to you the entire day. Look, I've been working way too much. I want to take a break, and I forgot that I had a partner to begin with. It happened to you. It happened to you. Don't blame me. It happened to you before. So we're even. We're even. Well, yeah, you made it up to me, but I know you want you okay. I know you want attention. Can I wait? I have an idea. Just a little idea. All right. All right. Let me just adjust. There you go. Sit on my lap. Sit on my lap. You've been asking for this, by the way. You want this? There you go. Are you good? Comfortable? Okay, look. Okay, reason why I bring this up now because because I can do two things. I can give you the attention you want, and I can play. I'm playing zombies, Call of Duty Black Ops 2 Zombies. You're just playing survivals. No. There is a story, but I'm just playing survival. Just a little, just trying to relax, not do anything too serious. Hmm. Oh, nice the box is there. This is yeah. Okay, so this mystery box. Oh, really? You cycle through the. Okay. So this box, it's a magical box that gives you random. Oh yes! It gives you random weapons, and sometimes you get good, sometimes you get bad. That is a nuke. I can't use that. It's not good for. You distracted me. You. I'm pinning the blame on you. You distracted me. All right. Okay. Running. Run it back. Run it back. You distracted me. You. Okay. Look, I'm not used to having someone on my lap while I play. All right. I don't know. I don't suck. Shut up. You don't even play this. You don't even play this. I mean, unless you do, you never tell me. Well, okay, to be fair, this game is really old, so no one probably talks about it until it's mentioned. But okay, I'm not bad. Shut up. All right, I'm good. I'm good in this game. All right, I'm a veteran. I've played this since I was a little boy. See? Oh my God. Okay, if you don't know, this is the worst gun in the game, in zombies at least. 5.7. I guess that's an improvement. I got the gun again. Oh my God, double points. That's good. So I can't really explain the lore. I have to play World at War for that one. And it's such a complicated like timeline. There's a video on YouTube that you could watch. I recommend it if you're interested in zombies. Max ammo already? Okay. Guess that's not bad. So that's usually a bad sign for me. No, 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 no. Not again, not again, not again, not again, not again. No, don't you dare move. Don't you dare move. I know you're tempted to distract me. I know it. I can feel it. I could feel I could feel it in your body that you really want to distract me. I know it. I know it. Stop. Stop moving. Stop. Stop moving, you little. You're such a little shit. Stop moving. I'm trying to focus, babe. Stop. This is the last. Alright, this round is done. Oh, what I got are perks. So perks essentially give you like boosts or at least some upgrades. The red one's called Juggernog, gives you extra health. The blue one in multiplayer it's faster revive, but in single player it helps you. It revives you, so you have an extra life. You usually have 3 lives, so I just use one. So right now I have one. If I die, I get revived. This gun is not good. That is a nuke. Fuck it, I need it, I need it, I need it. It's a waste though, since a nuke only gives, it doesn't give you the accumulated points across everything. Sniper, you. So, it's not that a sniper is bad, it's just, it, it's much more preferred if you get, if you get a weapon that's, someone messaged me? If you get a weapon that's like close range, because usually zombies get closer. Well, in this game, okay, well, in this map, I think it's better to have. Are you bad luck charm or something? Yes, the knife is bad. This is not a good weapon. I'm gonna die, babe. I'm gonna fucking die. I can't fucking have this. No, I can't. I can't stab the zombie. It's not. They're not gonna die that quick. I wish though. I wish they die that quick. But there's something about this weapon. In multiplayer, it's kind of good. I say kind of because it's still not like that amazing. So what happens if you upgrade it? There's a okay. Well, I have to explain first. There's a machine you could upgrade your weapons. It's called a pack punch. You know, because you pack a punch. You know, the weapon packs a punch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Glad you were able to follow on. Type 25. Better than before, I guess. And when you upgrade that knife in the pack punch, any down player, any player that like goes down, like dies, you can shoot their body and they just get revived easily. It's insane. But it's usually not that great because the best player usually just gets quick revive and helps everyone out. That's fun. That's fun. That is very fun. Okay, so what the teddy bear does, it's not a good thing. I know you like teddy bears, but that teddy bear is not good. It's a very bad man. It does is moves the box to somewhere else. Luckily, I'm playing a small map, so it's not annoying. But if it's a bigger map, it's hella annoying. Oh, oh, sorry, sorry. This the Okay, this weapon, my favorite. It does so much damage. The A lot of ammo. It's perfect. It's the perfect weapon. The Galil, amazing, amazing weapon. Concussion nades. Oh my god. Wait, which button was the grenade? Oh fuck. Okay. Yes, I'm getting surrounded. So I move. Now there's a little trick that most zombies players do. They train the zombies, so they just run around. They just let them do a conga line, right? I'm sorry if I'm boring you with this shit. I know this isn't the attention you probably wanted, but it's the best I could do. Okay. Well, it's not the best I could do, but it's the best I could do while also playing. Okay. Next time we'll do what I'll play the game you like. Okay. Yes, that's a promise. Okay, this is. I should probably get this. So this is speed cola. We haven't explained the yellow one. The yellow one makes you run faster. The green one makes you reload faster. So it's very essential. Over the other. Oh wait, what are you talking about? The one there? There was a machine there. Are you talking about that one? So that one is double tap, makes you shoot faster, but it's kind of a waste for ammo. Oh! All right, I think I'm loaded. I'm suited up. Oh no, no, don't die in a, don't you die in a fire. See all that. See what I mean by training them? So I'm circling, making them circle around each other, right? Trying not to get hit. Once they circle around each other, I just unload. I don't know why I was running with the heaviest weapon, but alright. Oh, the pack punch. This one. This usually it's best if you pack punch at the end of the round, so you don't have zombies trying to kill you while you get your weapon. Because when you pack a punch, you put it in the machine and it goes out, but it slowly goes back in if you don't get it, and you lose the weapon forever. Risk and reward, right? I mean, I put it on easy because I don't want to stress myself out even more. I'm just trying to play survival. Uh, I know you see me play a lot of anime games like Genshin or Honkai Star Rail, but this is my roots, you know. This is my roots as a gamer. FPS, classic FPS, baby. I still play FPS today, like well zombies right now. It's just that current Call of Duty isn't that good. It's not as good as it used to be honest. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna die! No. I'm scared. Babe, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, please. I'm gonna die. I was joking. I was joking. I wasn't really a pro gamer. Please, please, please. I'm. Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you for hugging me. I really needed that. That was a confidence boost. Max ammo. That's the last zombie. Should probably just grab it. Okay, so last zombie usually just is usually a runner. Though in the first rounds, it's not a runner. It just walks. Probably upgrade this though. So I do that. I still have time to get it. Then I do this. I grab it, and then I don't waste it and use the other gun. Actually, I could pack much the other gun now. Well, I need 5,000, but yeah. This is okay. So this is survival. I just play as long as I can. In usual zombies, there's like it's a bigger map. There's Easter eggs that you have to do. You have to do some steps. It's pretty fun. I should get you. Well, you have to get used to playing FPS first, but and unless you're a hidden gamer that you never, unless you're secretly a gamer that I never know. Aha! See, I told you, I got this under the bag, under control. I mean, what the fuck am I saying? I'm making up brand new phrases. Bam, bam. This is boring. I understand. It's much more fun. It's much more fun with either friends or you do actual zombies where you try to do an Easter egg. That's much more fun than just running around training zombies every few rounds. And then getting mutilated by every single one of play another game. No, I'm in the middle of. You want me to play Genshin or something? I don't know. No, I haven't done my dailies. You want me to do my dailies? No, no, okay. Until I die, right? Oh, look at that baby purr, baby. Let's go. Can I upgrade this again? No, I can't. Yeah. Usually you can upgrade again, but it doesn't really upgrade your weapon. It just adds a reticle. Wait, no, I can't. I can't in this version. What? I need to remove it. Dun dun dun. Come at me. Come on. So many lady zombies. Oh, oh, that's way too. Oh, oh, no, no, no. Just because I said I'll only play after I did doesn't mean I have to die first. Aha! I told you. Quick revive. Always has my back. Hell yeah. Wait. Oh no 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 no! This is not the place to die. This is not the place to die. This is not the place to die. No 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 no! This is not the place. This is not the place. This is not the place to die. That's not helpful at all. Headshots, headshots, headshots. I told you. I told you I'm a gamer. I fucking told you. Alright, we're back. We are so back. You'll never be able to see those anime characters. I swear to God. What other games do I play besides anime games and this? Yeah, we never really talk about video games, do we? We just talk about what we already know. I think it's yeah, I think we should talk about Okay, so this we should probably talk about more things that we don't. That's the same gun. All right, should probably talk about other things. You know that don't really know about each other. We just talk about. Wait, what do we talk about? We just. All I know is just we make out. That's it. No. I know we talk about more things, babe. No, it's just a joke. We're always so busy that we talk about our days more often than we do our own hobbies, interests, which is normal to be honest. But I think since Christmas break should be around the corner, maybe we should start talking about more about our hobbies. Does yours since I don't know why you're surprised I play Call of Duty. Okay, to be fair, I play you only see me play gacha games, anime games like Persona. So I can't blame you to be honest. It's just I don't get the opportunity to play this in front of you because we usually try and play together, you know, multiplayer games and such. Bum bum ba ba da. Oh, okay. I was looking at some. No, no, my max ammo. No, I'm gonna kill myself. No, in game, babe, not real life. I'm joking. I know. Stop making jokes like that. I get it. I get it. For now. You know I like self-deprecation jokes. It's the one I made you laugh. Those are the type of jokes that made you laugh in the first place. Still remember that day though. That day where I was MTAR. Oh, that was a good gun, but I already have way too good of guns right here. And a good motivator, i.e. my partner sitting on my no sitting on top of me. Die. Can I grab this? No, I can't. It's a battle of wits, baby. The battle of survival. It's not gonna help. Fuck. Stop cheering for the zombies, God. I know you want to play with me, God. No, no, no. Concussion grenade. No! Fuck. Fuck. How many of the zombies are... Shit, that's still a lot of them. Okay, let's go back to topic of other things I play. Uh, do you know Devil May Cry? That's my favorite game of all time. Oh, favorite series of all time. There's 5 of them, one reboot that people usually don't want to talk about, but uh, because the reboot is okay when it comes to gameplay. Gameplay, I need to specify that because story-wise, it sucks ass. There you go. All my lives are gone. I'm sorry. I think it heard my cry of I need better weapons. So Devil May Cry is about this cool dude named Dante, right? He has long white hair, pretty long white hair, half demon, half human. Gave me the worst gun in the game. Right, half demon, half human, right? And it's okay. In timeline wise, the game's the it starts with DMC 3, Devil May Cry 3. It starts there because it's a prequel, but there's also like a manga that's also a prequel of that, since they met like 2 years before that, and there's like and the manga just goes over that. Yes, I know. This isn't that complicated once you get into it. There's also a video of the Devil May Cry storyline created by the same guy who made the zombie storyline. Actually, you could easily find it. You can easily find it on YouTube if you're interested. So the game is like how do I say this? It's a hack and slash. It it's like yes, it's like Bayonetta. That's exactly, but with a style meter. You know, it's like how good you are at playing the game. And but usually the style meter just shows how much damage you could do in quick sessions. Don't you dare cheer for the zombies. Oh god, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I really shouldn't have just done that. That cleared the zombies. Oh god. I don't have stamina. I'm fucked. So yeah, in Devil May Cry 3, oh fuck, no, it's not really spoilers. At the very start of the game, it literally talks about them. So he goes up to this tower where he fights his brother and gets his ass kicked. You see, it's twin brother actually, and that's it. You know, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead as a fucking. Happy? You were distracting me. Fine, fine, fine. Fine. I'll boot up. I'll boot up. Uh, get all right. I'll boot up Genshin, I guess. Fine. I shall help you. Stop kissing me. It's not. When I said distract me, I didn't mean this much. Stop. Stop. Yes, I know. I told you to. It's fine to distract me, but you know what? Go ahead. You can keep. I do like it though. Yes, I like it. Shut your mouth. I didn't want to. I didn't want to say it because I know you're gonna tease me for it. Yes, I tease you back, but fuck you. Oh, that was quick. All right, almost done with dailies. Just two left. Artifact run. What do you? Oh, okay. You know what? I'll do an artifact run. I have to beat these guys first. Go! So dramatic. Look at him. Yeah, the frames weren't that bad earlier. I thought it was fine. I played. Well, oh, maybe because I'm recording. No, I'm recording because YouTube. But now I can't react. Get it, get it, get it, get it, and we're done. Bum, bum, bum. Virgil, you want to talk about? Virgil's more cold, you know. He's much more. I work alone. I'm a lone wolf. He's like this the entirety of DMC3. He's so like he's trying to be edgy. He's trying his best. But in reality, he is a very, very soft man. Or boy, at least. He's a little mama's boy. Well, to be fair, his parents died, but yes, yes, there's a lot. This gets deeper, deeper than it is. It isn't simple, just sibling rivalry. Their parents died. All cause, all cause their dad is a Giga Chad. All right, you want me to do artifact runs? Sure. Artifact run it is. Let's see this. Ah, loud, loud noises. I just cut Nahida off. All right. Yay. How how many hours I put into this? I put in. You're making me like self-conscious about it now. I just realized how many hours I actually put into so many games. Hey, soon enough, I'll put more hours into you. All right. Don't you worry. I'm not tryharding. Shut up. I'm not. I'm not tryharding. Someone is messaging you. No, it's not. It's not. It's not that. Okay, you're joking. Ooh, I got 3. That's not that good. That's also what is this? Maybe that's okay. Babe, get off me. You're a bad luck charm. No, 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 no. You don't. No, no, no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Don't you dare hit. Don't you dare slap me. I know you want to. Oh no! What? Okay. What do you mean I'm into that? You're a liar. You're a liar. I'm not into getting slapped. What the fuck do you mean? You're making shit up now. No! An oversight on my part. Die. De ortris mechaniek de analyse kadena. Another 3? That's all ass? Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. What the fuck is this? Wait, hold on, no, you can stay, you can stay, you can stay, you can stay. You are a good luck charm. Oh, well, that depends. I should roll. I'll roll it, I'll roll it, I'll roll it. Just wait, just wait. Make it start building Shang Yun. Go! Die! Be sanctified.
Illusion shattered.
Die! Silence! Yeah, that's a deal. I thought it was gonna be another 3. I was gonna scream. Okay. Not that good, but alright. One last. And I should be done for the day. Oh, maybe because I have my browser on. I just realized that's probably why I'm liking too.
There is no escape.
Go! You gonna argue best girl now? Okay. It's Farina, no question.
Committed to memory.
Best boy. Ito. Easy. Come on. They're both good. Yes, I said Ito. What do you want me to say? I like him. I like my boy. Bad. Bad. Alright. Now to level that one artifact. Just that one artifact. Do I even have? Oh wait, Ganyu. I just realized. I could give it to Ga. Yeah, I could definitely give it to Ganyu. Watch this, alright, babe. Watch this shit. Trust me. Trust me. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Watch this, alright? Watch me. Right? Kiss. Give me a kiss. There you go. Now, watch this. It's not bad. Wait, it's not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. I told you. I told you. That's actually pretty good. It's better than. Yeah, baby, let's go. All right, we're done. We're done for the day. Wait, let me see. Boom. It's definitely better than before, baby. Let's go. Thank you for giving me the good luck that I needed. Now, these guys attacked me before. Try to get some payback. Hold on. Get your ass kicked. Yay. I'm done playing now. No, I'll play Star Rail tomorrow. There's not really anything that I'm looking forward to in Star Rail right now, so I'll just leave it in the back burner for a while. can get off me now. You can get off me now. You know that? I'm not gonna. Fine. I'm gonna carry you to bed. Come on. How many cookies did you eat? Oh no no no! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was a joke. You're perfectly not heavy at all. Love you. I love you. Right. Off to bed.